much for coming, you two. Of course, Apple. We're happy to help. Let's get this harvest started.
Keep it steady. We're almost to the market.
Look at all the wonderful vegetables we grew.
This is gonna be our best day ever. Come on, everyone. The market is just ahead. I can't wait to see the customers.
Across the village, Kayla has a very large and beautiful house.
Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you could make it. Check out the new arrivals. Wow, Keela, the yellow sports car looks amazing. And the blue sedan is...
Q3 projections look fantastic, especially for the sedan models. We're exceeding every target we set this month. Let's finalize the marketing push for the hybrid line.
What a wonderful harvest festival this is turning out to be.
The profits from the banana crop mean I can finally acquire this model.
It is so good to see everyone together like this. The weather is perfect for it. The stock count is complete. Everything matches the list. This food is absolutely delicious. Good work. Let's get these vehicles ready. I made it just in time for the evening meeting. Welcome. We are delighted you are here to discuss the Village Happiness Project. The sun is almost gone. Time to head back. Yes, what a beautiful day for the harvest. Welcome to the banana house.
Thank you for having us. We brought fresh apples from the orchard.
I tell you, sister, the energy in the market today was marvelous. We haven't seen trade like this in years.
It truly is a blessing.
This year's apple harvest is the best yet. Technology really transformed our farming.
And our business expanded rapidly, connecting villages everywhere.
This harvest is truly blessed.
Thank you for preparing such a wonderful meal. We are grateful for your hard work.
If we implement this new strategy, the yield will increase significantly. Agreed. The data confirms this is the most efficient approach for tomorrow.
मेहनत और इत्तेफाक से हर मुश्किल आसान हो जाती है।
What a beautiful day in our happy village!
Yes, there is happiness everywhere.